It is an exposed area of the sticky pattern. Artists, if wish, can apply another colors, but if not, then just leave as is to create the invisible blending effect. From color to colorless patterns. So turning any stemming image into a gradient blend with color if using the clear. Allow the underneath the base color to show through. I'm going to use this jelly clear air dry sticky stemming polish to stem this pattern here and to show the demo of creative way to use the clear stemming polish. Apply a thin layer evenly. Scrape down excess polish. Using a clean jelly stamper, pick it up the stemming image. It is clear, it's transparent, it's not opaque. So for artists that interested in see why would we want to use the clear polish, then watch this demo and so you get an idea. But if for artists that rather use the opaque polish, then recommend it, especially for beginners, start out with the opaque black and white for the visibility and easy to see the placement. But there are creative way when using the clear polish or the jelly polish. This clear polish is under the collection of the jelly. So jelly is a sheer tinted color jelly, but this is colorless clear. It's a little bit hard to see, but you can still see it at different angle. Take your time, it's sticky stemming image, and note here is that this surface of the nail is non-stick. So if this is an air dry stemming polish, let it dry completely to non-stick touch. If it's a gel polish, prepare well to a non-stick touch or apply a matte non-stick gel and care under gel light to a non-stick touch because we're going to play with dry color and with the stemming image sticky. Stem this image. I'm going to stretch it a little bit from side to side of this image. You can still see it, the image visible. This is the air dry stemming polish, so it's not semi-gel, so no need to care under gel light. And because this is clear, so imagine if this is a visible jelly color or opaque color, you will see that color. But since this is clear, so if we're gonna play with dry coloring and tint it with opaque metallic glitter or opaque colorful neon pigment or colorful pigment or metallic chrome, then it's gonna be visible. It brings the invisible patterns of the stemming image to visible. But I'm gonna show you, there are gonna be times that you wish to play with the clear when you want that transparency, that visible to invisible gradient blend look. So since this is sticky, we're gonna take advantage of the sticky surface of this image. I'm gonna play with dry coloring with loose pigment. And these are the sheer neon pigment. Artists can choose any colors. Recommended to choose a color that the shade is darker than the base color in order for the color to pop and show up. So I'm going to choose the purple here. With a soft, dry brush, pick up little of the pigment and I'm going to create a gradient blend effect. Lightly dab, pick up as needed and dab. This technique is to adhere the loose pigment to the sticky image, and because that clear is sticky pattern image and this is the dark pigment, it's gonna adhere to that clear image base. So lightly going downward to create a lighter gradient blending effect look. This is how you create a gradient blend from visible color to invisible color. So imagine if this is the opaque pattern, white or black or any colors, then you're gonna have this pattern be visible. But since we're using the clear to show creative way why the clear is useful is when you want to create this visible to invisible. This clear pattern here is blend in with the base yellow colors polish nail, and at the end when we top it off with a gloss top coat, it's gonna blend in really well. It is an exposed area of the sticky pattern. Artists, if wish, can apply another colors, but if not, then just leave as is to create the invisible blending effect. From color to colorless patterns. So turning any stemming image into a gradient blend with color if using the clear. Allow the underneath the base color to show through. Now we just brush off any loose dust, and because the background is non-stick, the pigment only stick to the sticky stemming image. And recommend to use the color darker than the background, so in order for the color to show up, because the nature of most of the solid pigment, especially the sheer pigment out there, is sheer, it's not opaque. So if the color choice is lighter than the base color, or the base color is dark or black, then this sheer pigment color will not show up well. The base color is light or best with white, then the colors will show up really well. Now this just needs to be way to top up with top coat. So if this is a regular polish stamping nail art, apply a light hand floating top coat, air dry, and let it dry completely to prevent smear or smudging. If this is a gel stamping nail art with the base polish gel, then apply a gel gloss top coat or matte top coat and care under gel light, and you have yourself interesting patterns of gradients, colors from visible to invisible effect quickly and easily with the sticky clear stamping polish base image.